All right, we're gonna see how high these are with 8-foot 4x4s, these Banks blinds. But Phil, I'm disappointed in you. How could you be? I got 3 blinds ready to go with towers, and here you got one that you ain't even done yet. I can't believe that. What have you been doing? All right, we'll see if this is gonna work here or not. A little windy.
You're used to getting the dumb end of that thing, aren't you?
Yep. My golly, it's just about 8 feet.
Try from dead center. Go inside and go dead center so nobody thinks we're trying to fudge it. Go straight from the ground.
There we go. Straight up. Oh, it's only literally, okay, I'm crunched there now. 7 foot 10 inches.
So yeah, 2 inch 2 inch loss.
10 inches.
That's it. Yeah, worked out just fine.
I'll take it. 8 feet. That's kind of perfect for a deer tower.
Yeah, I like that shot angle myself.